Hi guys, I'm Christopher with RV ASAP powered by Funtown. Today we are in Cleburne, Texas in our campgrounds at our Cleburne Superstore. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on a Salem Hemisphere 36FL. Come on, let's take a look. So our first compartment on our door side, we're going to have this large pass-through storage. So whenever we're adjusting our stairs, what we want to do first thing is we're going to open our door. That way our stairs can come up, and we have our buttons on both sides. This is so we can adjust our legs. So if you're on a rocky surface, maybe it's a little uneven, you're able to make sure it's sturdy for your pathway into this lovely camper. And then right outside our door, we're going to have a second large pass-through storage. So plenty of storage, whether you're going on those long trips or maybe it's just the weekend. And then right here, we're gonna have our large, spacious outside kitchen. So with the flip of a switch, we come out, and then our grill comes out right here, and then we have our large Ever-Chill outside refrigerator. One of our great things to have, not only that outside kitchen, but we're gonna have our outside TV already hooked up. So whether it's game time or you just wanna watch a little TV while we're enjoying the outdoors. This Salem Hemisphere is gonna have some great features. One of them is gonna be our pre-wired for a rear Furrion camera. So whether you're the experienced fifth wheel hauler or you're just now getting started, it's gonna help eliminate those blind spots and then also help backing up your camper. And then right below our rear camera, we're gonna have our third storage compartment. So right now we're on our off door side, opposite from our outside kitchen. We have these dual doors. We have our water hookup here with our outside shower. And then we have our storage that rolls out for all those goodies. Right here we're gonna have the access point to our second pass-through storage. This door is gonna be our access point to our front pass-through storage. And then right next to our access storage, on the off-door side, we're gonna have our dual propane tanks. With our indicator, red if it's off or out, and then green if we're using the propane. We're gonna have our front storage compartment here. It's gonna have our spare tire and our dual batteries. Now let's go take a look inside. Thanks for joining us inside. First, we're gonna take a look right here. We're gonna have our LCI leveling system right here. We have our power fan control, and then we have our thermostat control right here. But then you're like, Christopher, we have one more switch below. This switch is actually going to control our ceiling fan that is above in our kitchen. Right here, we're going to have our half bath with storage space right behind the toilet. Right here, we're going to have our two bar stools with our lovely bar, which is in our kitchen. And then right next to that, we have our large, spacious fridge. So again, bringing those amenities from home on the go with you. Here's gonna be our 3-burner gas stove with our large, spacious oven right underneath it. And then right above that, we're gonna have our Furrion convection microwave. So right here, we're gonna have our granite inserts. So this is great if you need the extra counter space. But if you don't, they're super easy to store. And then we have our dual sink. So one more thing in the kitchen before we head up to the living room, we have our large, spacious pantry with our motion activated light. So now we'll head up the steps into our living room. We're gonna have our dual recliners right here. And we actually have our tri-fold couches on each side. So great for that extra sleeping room. And right here, we're gonna have our sound bar, of course, to control our sound inside and out, our fireplace, and then our large TV. All right, now that we're in the bedroom, this is a king-size bed right here, but don't forget we're gonna have our storage right up top here that is hidden by the door whenever it's open. We have our TV that comes right across from the bed, our drawers right here, and then some hanging room, of course. All right, we'll continue on into the bathroom. First, as soon as we walk in, we're gonna have this large closet. Plenty of hanging room, but we also have the opportunity, if you wanted a washer and dryer, you have those hookups. Right across from there, we're gonna have our linen closet with extra hanging room above. Then we have our large walk-in shower with a seat. I'm 6'4", and there's plenty of space in here. We have our Dematic porcelain toilet. Again, bringing those amenities from home on the go with you. Thanks for joining me as we did our walkthrough on our Salem Hemisphere 36FL. Make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.